Hello, I bought some time ago this simply number padlock like this. It's possible to change the number with this concept. So now it's 0, 0, 0. If I change it to 1, it's not opening. Now it will open. Then if I turn it here and then press like this and put everything to 1, and then 1, and then turn it like this. Then now if I put to 0, 0, 0, it's not opening. It has to be 1, 1, 1. Okay, so now my idea is to try few different concepts how I was able to open this without knowing number. So first I randomize number by this. So now I press it and then do some randomization, then turn it back if I'm able to turn it back. No, it's not willing to turn back for some reason. Why? Why? Okay, like this, then randomization, and then now it's not opening. Then I use this shimming kind of thing. So I noticed that there's small cracks in each of these for the position of true gate. So let's try if I can find it. There. So it's 8. I have to position 8 towards this end. The next one. There. So 4. Then last one. Right there. So which of this? Is 2 or 1? Now I'm not sure. Like this. So this method functions. Find the gate and position, align it here, and then it will open. And then other concept I noticed. So what was the number? 6 to 9. And then other concept I noticed more like a, now I randomize again. Why I cannot raise this bar? This, and then randomization. Now give some force or tension upwards and then try to find those gates. First need to find some gate that is blocked for all. I think this is at some gate. This is not at any gate. Okay, now they are at some gate. But it's small movement, but not very big when tensioning it upwards. Now should find a gate that is moving more. Maybe like this. This is not the gate. This is now small sound, and now this is binding. More binding. 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 Maybe good movement. So larger movement for true gate. This is also larger movement. This is not still large movement. I would say that these two are at correct gate. can it open it? This kind of lock. Maybe this concept is faster, but this manipulation also doable. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.